This is the part 2 of the video hosting a website on Raspberry Pi. So let's continue. We stopped on copying phpMyAdmin. Now that we copy it, we go to the share folder in USR just to verify that the phpMyAdmin has been copied. And there you go. Now we're going to modify the file in Apache just to point the application to see where the phpMyAdmin is installed. So the file for modifying or adding this section is the default 00-default.conf file. So we open it, and here it is. That's the part that we have to add. That's the section that we add. Now we open the phpMyAdmin to see if it works. Type in localhost -phpMyAdmin, and as you can see, it opened. I already created a user, MariaDB, called admin with the password, and I gave also the privilege to log in to control the database. So that's the database. I already imported the database and created the user. So I'm able to connect and use phpMyAdmin. The way to import a database is just choosing import and then choosing the file and click on go. That's the way to do it from phpMyAdmin. Now let's go to the website. Those are the files for the website. I already copied them from the USB and put them on var www HTML. Everything is there. What I want to show you here is that when if you are going to import a website, I had to change in every file of the website the section where the system was looking for the old website, the old link to the website, which was different from the one that I'm using inside with local. So I had to change everything on every file, the name of the website. You see here, it was different name before. It was a .com, HTTPS, and then the name of the site and the .com. Now, because I'm doing local, I put this name, and I have to change it in every file on the website. Otherwise, it won't work. You will get broken links all over the pages. So consider that if you are planning to import a website to your Raspberry Pi or any other machine. Also, this file is very important, and it has some controls, some commands that control the behavior of the website. In the next video, part 3, I will show you the type of errors that you get when modifying or blocking this file. Let's see if you open the website. There you go. It's working. Let's see if open the login page to connect to the database, and yes, it opened. So it is working, the website. The next video will show you also the files that we have to modify in order to complete the installation and configuration of the website. So that's it for this video, part 2 of hosting a website on Raspberry Pi. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.